gets you excited about spring, and it gets you moving and burning off some of those calories that are hanging around from Christmas, you know.
We like the tradition of buckets. It's how we learned, and always excited for each season.
You could tap this tree right here. So you try to look for old tap scars. I look for kind of like fresh meat, you know, where there's no disturbances.
Because you drill into an old tap, it's probably not going to run. It makes a little bit of a decayed spot, so you want a nice white wood.
You know, when you draw the bit out of the tree, you can look at the shavings, and they should kind of like puff up. And that's how you know that those, you know, that fiber is alive, which means it's moving sap also. So then you can kind of, it just, the tone kind of changes when the tap seats. It just all of a sudden is done, you know.
We do about 2,200 buckets, and we have about 70 acres altogether. There's 3 separate woods. So there's a lot of pride and heritage, family heritage.
We have around 5,000 taps we put out. There's like 5 different networks of tubing. Up there a ways, there's another junction, and there's another one that shoots off. So a lot of what we do during the season is walk through the woods and look for leaks.
What I like to tell people is every sugar house you visit is different from the next, just like people are different. You know, some have tubing, some have buckets, some have tubing and buckets. And there's no wrong or right way to bring the sap down, except for, of course, the cleanliness and the quickness of getting it boiled down into syrup.
It's fun, and it's, you know, it's important to do that with the little kids because it's our culture around here. It's, you know, it's part of our, it's this area, it's what we do, and so it's really important that we continue to do it in the backyard with, you know, whatever you can find, and because that's kind of how it, you know, that's how we all learn.